are ready, we're going to do a fun activity today. We used to do this in class a lot. It's slime. Parents, please join us. And we have some ingredients for you guys to look at right now.
We need shaving cream, glue, liquid starch, a spoon, bowl,
and food dye.
Okay, the first thing, we need to put some shaving cream in our bowl.
We don't have the exact sizes, but feel free to eyeball.
Put some glue, please.
Ooh, liquid wine. Sorry about that. So more around the same amount of everything. See now?
If you want a recipe, you can use 1 cup of glue, 1 cup of shaving cream. Oh, that's too much.
Yes, oops.
Okay, we need to mix all the ingredients. Can you put more shaving cream, please, for me? Yes, just do it. That's fine. Just let me mix all these ingredients. Can you put a little bit more glue, please? A little bit more. That's fine. Here we go.
Remember, you guys can add anything to it at this point. Glitter,
Yes.
anything sparkly. Miss Gabby and I love to use glitter.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Just try not to get it on fabric, clothes, shoes.
That's a really good workout. Yeah.
Great for exercise.
Can you put a little bit more glue, please? Thank you.
You're welcome. Miss Gabby's a pro. She does this all the time.
It's a little bit hard with my gloves, but I'm trying to do the best. So.
You need to stay safe.
Oh, my gloves. See?
And it's Poofy.
Oops. That's the slime, guys.
Oh, is that crunchy?
There we go, Miss Claudia. I'm going to change my gloves.
It is crunchy. really well in Ziploc bags. ¿Cómo cuánto crees que dure?
Like a week or more.
Can you hear that?
Está squishy. I'm gonna add glitter. That's up to you. Miss Claudia doesn't like the glitter.
I like glitter. I'm just trying to show you, so at this point, you can pretty much do anything with it without getting stuck everywhere. But still, we advise keep it away from fabric, clothes, shoes, hair, and pets. Please don't use it on pets. So the shaving cream is what makes it look fluffy like this. There's also something called Crunchy Slime Activator. It's actually used for texture, just just for you to play with a bit.
And for this one, you can use just the activator with the glue, and that's it.
It's a shorter ingredient.
I don't know if you can see the ingredients, the recipe.
They're actually on the activator itself. Thank you, Miss. A little glue. And that's pretty much it. So thank you guys for joining. Thank you, parents. I hope you guys have fun, and hope to see you guys soon. Stay safe.
Love you.
Thank you from Busy Bees class. We'll see you next time.